Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the new craze that just got released yesterday and why I am not happy about it. I was watching a YouTube video about this new program that was going to be the new sensation and something that could help me make lots of money on KDP. It is called the How to Draw Book Generator, shortly HTDB generator. Naturally, I was intrigued and was waiting earnestly for this program to be out. So when it did, I went to their website to get myself that program. Everything was cool. I was actually impressed by the sales letter and the pitch, and I was willing to fork out the $40+ for that program. However, they had a catch. The amount I would be paying for is only for the front end version, and I will have the option of getting 3 of their upgrades if I choose to. Okay, sounds alright, but still disappointed because the price I was willing to pay was the price I saw on their early bird listing. But I was willing to listen to their pitch and find out more. However, here are some parts that completely lost me when I read their FAQ. They do not have a money back option if I tried it and chose not to want it. They do not have the price points of the 3 upgrades listed anywhere, and they will only reveal it once I paid for the front end version of it. And they readily gave a few reasons why. Okay, and they also said they may choose to change the model to a subscription plan if they choose to in the future without any prior notice, etc. You should definitely read this FAQ if you're thinking about purchasing this program. So I went and did some research again to see if the program is worth it on YouTube and found some videos with the reviews of this program. The reviews were amazing, and I do say the program is good as the reviewers went through lots of examples and provided how to use the program tutorials. But the pricing is way off my budget as I'm just starting out on KDP. The front end option is so limited. You can use the grid view, change the sizes, and have lots of fonts options. However, if you want to show how you are drawing something step by step, which is what is in demand on KDP, you will have no choice but to opt for one of the upgrades. The upgrade I wanted cost about $197 as per one of the videos I watched. So no, this program is not for me. Maybe in the future, if they chose to make the complete package available for a subscription, I might reconsider. If you're interested and are willing to make the investment, which is a good one by the way, by all means do so as they have an early bird pricing going on till 3rd April. However, I am not. But this setback is not going to stop me from exploring this niche. I had already invested in programs like Adobe Illustrator, Pixelmator, and Canva. Also, I can always use Photopea, which is free. It will not be instant, but I will get there. I will show you exactly how you can also do a how to draw book without the how to draw book generator. If you are interested, please continue watching. This how to draw niche is amazing. It has lots of potential, and with the software you will be able to churn out many books to fill. However, we can still niche down and compete. So do your research and find that sweet spot that you can shine in. I will be using Adobe Illustrator to show you how you can also make a how to draw page. You can use this knowledge and try with Photopea or Canva. If there is sufficient interest, I will make a separate video on how you can get this done on Canva as well. So let me know in the comment section below if you want a Canva version of this. Now let's get started. This is what I have achieved. This is what I have done during my spare time, and I will show you exactly how you can also do this. So from here, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new artboard, and after that I will be showing you how we go step by step in creating this how to draw page. It is relatively easy to do and it takes very little time also. Okay, now I have dragged this over. If you're not using Adobe Illustrator, you don't have to do any of these things. This is because I have already made a few, so I can reuse some of the elements that are already there. So I'm just doing an artboard. If you're starting out, just create a new artboard and start. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to just ungroup the stuff and create a new layer for this new artboard. I will speed up this process so you don't have to get bored. Here I'm choosing the picture that I want to create the how to draw page for. I have lots of cat pictures, so I'm going to just place one of the pictures over here. This is the picture I want to use, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all this arrows, so-called arrows, and I'm going to copy it over because I am trying to create this 5 to 6 step process, so the arrows could be in the same place, so I can just copy and paste, so I don't have to create it over and over again. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to choose this cat. I'm going to copy it. First, I'm going to trace this image. I will need to create this because in Adobe Illustrator, I need to trace it and create this into a vector file, which I can change whatever I want with it. So I have image traced it and expanded it, and I'm going to ungroup it, and then I will copy and paste, so this entire thing will be pasted again. Okay, so this is after expansion, so I'm just going to undo this, and I'm going to copy this entire thing. 1 minute. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to start with the end product and then work our way backwards. So I'm going to choose the paintbrush as well as the eraser tool to help me. The eraser tool I use mainly for those easily accessible areas, and paintbrush in white color helps me with those hard to reach areas. So okay, so now I'm deleting the portions I don't want. Okay, so now the ribbon is gone. So you just have to manage and plan what each of these pictures you're going to take out, so that the person who's going to use this book can build it up and reach the final picture. So I have gotten rid of that bow, and then I'm going to get rid of a few of these elements. I think I'd get rid of okay, maybe I'll use a paintbrush for this. There is a small part of that bow left there. Okay, I'm just going to remove, yeah. Okay. It is a very simple process. We're just going to copy and paste whatever we have accomplished in the previous picture, and then take away some more, and take away and some more, and finally we will be left with a picture which has nothing but a basic structure, where the person or the kid can actually start drawing. Okay, I'm going to take out this bow tie as well, because all these comes as a detailing which comes at the last part of the picture. So this currently don't need that bow tie, so we'll just okay, so now I'm going to copy this picture and then paste again. So you can see there is a difference. So after you have achieved this, you can go and draw your bow ties and stuff, and then you'll have the final picture. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this entire picture and then copy and paste again, and then move it down, and from here I'm going to remove a few other parts of the cat picture. Okay, I'll just remove these flowers and stuff. If you take out anything by mistake, you can just go and readjust. Okay, okay, fine. So you just plan. If you're providing a 10 step, then there are very little things you need to take out in each picture so that you can build it up. So it depends on how many steps and so on. So you just plan accordingly, and see how complicated your picture is also. That will also play a part in how many steps you want to give your the person who is going to use this book. All right, looking good. Okay, so I think this is okay. Now I'm going to just to refine this. Now I can copy and paste this again, and so on and so forth. So I'll just forward this process a little bit so that you don't have to get bored, and basically the process is very similar. So you just copy paste and then get rid of a few things, copy paste, get rid of a few things, and finally you will come to the layout where there is nothing except maybe the body or the face, or whichever portion you want to start the drawing with. I'm taking more time with this because I am recording this tutorial. Otherwise, the process is very fast. Now, hardly takes about maybe 3 or 4 minutes for a picture. If it is very detailed, then a bit more. That's all. We are almost done. As you can see, the final piece is there. You just have the structure of the face with a few whiskers, and anyone can actually use this as a basic starting point and then build up the picture from here. If you want to get rid of the whiskers, you can go ahead and get rid of it. If you want to get rid of the ears, you can go ahead and get rid of it. Just make sure that you're comfortable and you're happy with your final work, and then you can save this as a PNG file. Okay, so this is the final product. This is the final page that I can use in my book. So you can see this is basically a how to draw page. It shows you step by step what all you can add to achieve the final picture. I think this is quite helpful, not very detailed or not very complex, very simple stuff. So you can start making simple stuff and then maybe go on to other things like anime drawing or detailed maybe product drawing, vehicles, cars and stuff like that. You can try those things. Those are quite niche down stuff. If you want a Canva version of this, or if there is sufficient interest, I will make a separate video as mentioned earlier, and you just have to let me know in the comments below if you would like to have a Canva version of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.